Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel today. So I've heard in some comments in other places a good video to make would be people want to know how to properly start a coal or coke forge. So I'll briefly show you how I do mine. Granted, I'm not a professional. This is just what I've read and I've seen other professional smiths do. So here's my pot here. Hope you can see with the sun. See that okay here? Hold on, let me get situated. Okay, so this is my pot here. So what I do is I take the previously burnt stuff that's left over from my when your fire burns down. So it's primarily coke. It's a lot lighter. You can hear it. So I take the coke from my previous fire. I put it back in the middle after I clean it out. Put the coke in, and then I put the fresh charcoal around it. Excuse me, not charcoal. Coal. I do use real smithing coal. I don't know if you can see that. So then I sprinkle that around the outside. And you can drizzle water over it and get it damp slightly. I don't, just because I really don't care. If you're trying to make your coal last longer, put water around it. So you have the coke in the middle, which burns cleaner. There's no of that nasty black smoke. And then as this burns, your coal on the outside will slowly turn to coke, and you rake it in from the outside so it turns to coke, and then it just is clean burning. Because if you were to put all fresh coal in there, you get that pitch black smoke. So I just use a regular old propane torch to start my fires, nothing special. I just set it in there, give it a minute to start the coke up, and then I'll turn the blower on, aka blow dryer. And it should start going good. I have used other things to start the fire, newspaper, old wood, those burning briquette log things with the oil in them. So that's like the quick lights. I've used those. Torch works quick. If you don't have one, you can just use paper or wood, it's no big deal. So we'll let that burn up. Hopefully that was helpful. So, or if you don't have coke to start it, you can just use that dried hard lump charcoal, put that in the middle, and that lights really quick, and then you can put your coal around that, and then go from there. You know, slowly work the fresh coal inwards to turn it to coke, and that's really about it. If that's wrong, tell me. I mean, this is just what I do and what I've seen other people do and what I've read about. So it's just research. Just learn. It's all trial and error. Hell, you can put all fresh coal in there and just have a huge fire going and melt steel. I've melted many railroad spikes in half trying to figure out how to get my fire just right. You know, it's all learning. I wish I had a piece. I just threw a piece of steel away from my knife. I lost it. That I melted in half. Burned the tip off. I mean, I burn metal all the time. So, turn on the blower. Alright, she's going good. I'll slowly let that build up. I'll pop my metal in. So, from the start to going, I'm at 4 minutes and 48 seconds and going. So I'm going to stop this at 5-minute video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, go back and check out my old videos if you want to know how I made my forge. See ya!